Hello you guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So this is the baby carrier. So I just got this box from Sunveno. I think it's called Sunveno. And I also got this other bag, but I'll be showing that later on. Okay. Beautiful. I love that it's gray because I just feel like it's a very neutral color. So you could use it for a boy or a girl, it doesn't really matter. It comes in this little bag. Nice. Nice. It has this book. And this, I'm guessing, is like a little pouch. Let me see. Doesn't smell bad. Oh, it has two little pouches. Okay. Okay, we'll see this later on, what it is for. So far, it seems like a very good quality, and it's pretty light. Okay, let me see how it works. This is the first time I get something from this brand. Oh, look. Okay. The straps are pretty long, so that's good. So it has, this is for like a cover up for the baby's head. You can remove it if you want to. It has the brand name here. It has these little buttons as well, which I'm guessing is for this. Okay. Oh look, this is a nice pocket. It's pretty big. You could fit your phone there. Let me see my phone. Yeah. And a few other things. It has a zipper. Oh, okay, that's nice for ventilation. See? Nice. It has these other buttons. It has these little clips here. Okay. So now that I see, I can remove this side. So this top side, if I want to later on, I can remove it, and then it's just like this part. Oh, so I'm guessing this part is like the bottom part. So like once your baby isn't a baby anymore, he's a toddler, he or she is a toddler, then you could put them here. Okay. Oh yeah, I seen it before. I seen it. Yeah. So you remove this part. Okay. Yeah. That's pretty easy to remove. And then there's a zipper. So it has this. You clip it out. Okay. And then there's a zipper. And yeah, you remove it. And here you go. Okay. And then you sit them here. So it has this texture that is kind of like rubber. So I'm guessing it's so that like when your toddler sits here, it's not like so easy for him or her to move. You can hear my toddler, he's screaming. Okay, it has this pocket. It has another pocket here. Okay, there's some straps inside. There's this other pocket. Nice. see, there's another zipper. Oh, okay. Oh, look. So this material is hard, and this is like the material that your toddler will be sitting on. Okay, it's pretty nice. There's another pocket here. It has a lot of compartments. Pretty cool. Okay, I'm guessing this is to put like a bottle. Let me try with this candle. It's not a bottle, but okay, see? So it's there. Okay. And it has another pocket. It has a whole bunch of compartments. That's so cool. Like if you're hiking or you're just at the store, you're doing groceries, and you know, you could have your baby or toddler on your carrier, and you don't have to be carrying a purse or something else to carry your things. Let me see. There's another zipper on the back. There's another zipper here. See? Okay. Oh. Oh, because you can remove this here as well. Oh, got it. I never had this before, so this is all new for me. So you can remove this as well. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Oh, and you can use just the bottom part. See? That's cool. And then it's a very thick clip. Okay. That's nice. Okay, so let me put the whole thing back together. So, actually, you know what? Let me put it on first. I'm pretty tiny, so let's see. Yeah, I have to tighten this string before. Oh, it's so easy to tighten. Okay. It also has like this. Plus, you clip it in. Okay. Let me go a little back so that you guys can actually see me. Let me bring my toddler and let's see how it goes. Now my toddler, he weighs 36 pounds. So let's see how this goes. Give me one moment, real quick. Okay. So here's my toddler. Woo! Okay. Wow! It's nice. It's so comfortable. Let me see. See? And he's holding me. It's incredible. It's so comfortable. Yeah. Were you eating ice cream? Yeah. Say hi. No. Can you say hi? No. Say hi. Say hi. Can you give me a kiss? Mwah. I love you. Can I have a hug? That's a kiss. Can I have a hug? It's very comfortable, and mind you, he's 36 pounds, and this is so comfortable. I'm going to like put it all back together, and I'll go to my brother's house, and I'll try with my niece. So my niece, she is smaller than him. She's 2, he's 2.5, and she's smaller than him. So I think I will be able to put like the whole thing with her in it. Oops. But yeah, I'll try that first. And yeah, also, so before I go to my brother's house, I want to open this other bag that I received, and I'll show you guys like the whole unboxing. Let me just put my toddler back in the living room. Okay, so I'm going to remove it.
Sun's up loud and the day feels wild. Waves crash hard, but I'm feeling mild. Flip-flops slapping on the hot street road. Ice cream dripping like a secret code. Let's chase the sun till it dips so low. And the summer vibes, let's steal the show. No clock ticking, no rules to abide. We're cruising through this endless ride. Sunglasses on like the world's a stage. Every sunset turning a brand new page. Cold drinks sweating like they're feeling shy. Blue skies painted and forever high. Let's chase the sun till it dips so low. And the summer vibes, let's steal the show. No clock ticking, no rules to abide. We're cruising through this endless ride. Beach fires crackle as the night unfolds. Stories shared like they're made of gold. Starry skies dancing above our heads. Dreams awake while the city sleeps instead. Spinning around in a hammock sway. Laughing loud like the kids we play. Every moment's a memory carved in time. The summer strikes like the perfect rhyme.
Okay, so now it's all back together. So now I'm just going to put it back on. I just want to see now how I'm going to put like the whole straps on, because it was easier for my toddler, but now I want to see how it is with the actual straps all around. Okay, so I'm guessing this is like this. I have to see, let me see if there's like a picture. Okay, so there's the manual. So it's telling me, so there's 3 parts, which I already showed you guys. There's 3 parts, right? Okay, so I already put the hip seat on. So this is the hip seat. Now I have to fix the buckles. Okay, I did that already. Okay. Oh, and you could use this hip seat to breastfeed as well. Oh, okay, I like that idea. Yeah. Yeah, makes sense. Let's see. Okay, so this is the neck protector. Okay, beautiful. But let me see how I have to put like the whole straps. Okay. Oh, so I have to like put it on the back like this. Okay, cross strap on the back. So I have to cross the straps. Okay. Let me see. I'm guessing it's this way. So where do I have to put this? Oh, there's this pocket here. And I have to put these, the buckles, I have to put them here. Okay. Let me see how that is. So these buckles are totally different. I've never seen a buckle like this. Okay, that was easy. Okay. And then I just have to adjust it because it's obviously not tight enough. Okay. And the other one has to be here. Hold on. Okay. Once you got this all together, it gets way easier. Obviously, I never used this type of carrier before, so it's a learning process, but it isn't hard at all, and I feel like it's so comfortable. No lie. Okay. I need to see myself in the mirror. I don't have any mirror in here. Hopefully I'm not moving. Oh, I'm sorry. I was moving so much and then I have my microphone. Hopefully it wasn't uncomfortable. If it was, I'll put music on. Okay. So it's pretty tight right now. And this is the back. This is the back. Okay. This is the side with the pockets. This is for the milk or any bottle of water if I wanted, or any drink. This is a pocket to put my whatever I want to. I put my baby here. And let me see. Okay, so this goes here. So this buckle here. This one buckles here. Then, oh, this one buckles over here on the top. You know, I'm in shock because I didn't even know. I didn't even notice how it was. And I should be following direction from the menu, but I just get too excited for that. Okay. It's like, I already have a few carriers as well, so I have like an idea, so it just comes naturally. Okay, so this is the space. You can always put it tighter or looser, and then the feet comes over here, then the baby, arms here. So the baby's feet, the baby's arms, and the little head. And then you can cover them, which is, okay. Wait. So I can put it here. Or, if I just want to cover them, oh, see? No brainer, it was right there. Okay, where's the other one? Oh, the other one is right here, see? Right here, you can put it there. And boom. And there you go. See? Beautiful, beautiful. So now, I don't know about these. So I got this together already. What is this though? Oh, and this is a safety rope that you have to attach here and here. If the baby is too little, then there's another safety here. The neck protector.
Sun's up. up loud and the day feels wild. Waves crash hard but I'm feeling mild. Flip-flops slapping on the hot street road. Ice cream dripping like a secret code. Let's chase the sun till it dips so low. And the summer vibes, let's steal the show. No clock ticking, no rules to abide. We're cruising through this endless ride. Sunglasses on like the world's a stage. Every sunset turning a brand new page. Cold drinks sweating like they're feeling shy. Blue skies painted and forever high. Let's chase the sun till it dips so low. And the summer vibes, let's steal the show. No clock ticking, no rules to abide. We're cruising through this endless ride. Beach fires crackle as the night unfolds. Stories shared like they're made of gold. Starry skies dancing above our heads. Dreams awake while the city sleeps instead. Spinning around in a hammock sway. Laughing loud like the kids we play. Every moment's a memory carved in time. The summer strikes like the perfect rhyme. Let's chase the sun.
Now I want to do the unboxing for this bag. Oh, it's nice. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's like a cat. That's cute. So it comes with this. Oh, so it's a multifunctional stroller bag. Nice. This is like how to organize your things inside, and then it has like some ideas on how to use it. And this is the measurement. It's a nice size. It has this pocket here that you could put milk or a bottle of water. There's another pocket here. This is the string. And these are so adorable. Oops, did I hit the camera? Yes, I did. Okay, these are so adorable. Palms, beautiful. And the little ears, so beautiful. Nice material. And the inside. It's pretty big. It has a nice size. It has this zipper. It has this other pocket. It has these other two pockets. And yeah, it's pretty big. There's a lot that you can fit inside of here. This is one of the pockets. On the outside, another pocket. There's some washing instruction here. And yeah, beautiful. I'm so happy I was able to do this unboxing of this brand because I never had this brand before, and I like to try new things. Whatever I feel like it works for us parents and I can share with you guys, I am so happy to. There's so many brands out there that we don't even know, and they have like great quality items that we can benefit from. I'm so happy that I received these two items, and I am so happy to try them. And so far with the unboxing, I am pretty impressed. And yeah, thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have tried this brand before. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.